Here's a 2013 Kia Optima. Open the door and climb into the extraordinarily comfortable cabin. With the right balance of bold design and soft touches, a warm welcome awaits. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, inline 4-cylinder engine, manual telescoping steering column, multifunction steering wheel, external memory control, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Cars.com finds with its creased sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, dependable today and way, way down the road. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.